We were really hoping that we could reshape people's thinking on modernism with this house. It's a warm and friendly and open and inviting and transparent space to live in the textures and colors and materials that we've used here. I was a kid that grew up at the beach. I love the beach, I love the sunshine, I love the ocean, I love the views, and I think that's what we were after here. We wanted to bring a little bit of the beach to Amalfi Drive. We were looking for something that was dramatic and interesting and fresh. It had to have a mellow, softer vibe to it. I think the stone gave it that, and the oak floors. This is a palette of materials that works great with the written and unwritten rules of modern design. For me, this house is the quintessential California house because it's got the sun and the yard. It's got an ocean view, and it's got the outdoor living. It's got all the components we're searching for, all the dreams that people have about their dream house. When you come up to the house, it's visually compelling with the cantilevers and these floating roof planes that are supported by the stone that you see everywhere. We use the stone to support the roofs and to guide people through the building. And as you come through the front door, it opens up into a double height space. The windows all around it. So there's light coming in the morning, there's light coming in the midday, there's light coming in the evening. There's a stair to the left, but the thing I think that's going to catch most people's eye is the water at the end of the axis. Looking outside, there's a beautiful pool, and the path to the pool is landscaping and coral and beautiful sunshine. I've always found that people gravitate towards the kitchen, and that kitchen is really designed for a big family. It's got a comfortable media room right there. It's got a family table, and it's got plenty of room for fixing and serving great meals. And it's got a little hidden barbecue right around the corner. The formal living room, for me, is a place where you'll go in to have conversation. I'm imagining a dinner party where there's a full table of people and they're surrounded by open space. They've got the garden on one side and the pool on the other, and everywhere they look is something fantastic. Actually, that is probably the best space in the house, the dining room. This house is a fantastic house on 2 levels. It's really a complete house above ground, but it's got a surprise downstairs. It's got a yoga studio down there, and there's a bar, there's a theater down there. There's also a great media setup down there. There is a grandness to the house. I think that the house will be fantastic for family functions and parties, and I love the idea of 200 or 300 people wandering around, having fun in all the different rooms. But when the people leave, you've got to live in the house, and I think that the house also has great intimate spaces. It's intended to be a place for conversation, for enjoying artwork, for watching your friends enjoy the pool in the yard, and watching the sun change through the day, through the garden behind you or in front of you.